Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a component designed for people who operate real machines in the real world. Not smartphones, not speakers, but equipment that digs, lifts, and keeps massive jobs moving. This is the 300426-00010B monitor display panel created for Doosan excavators. And it plays a much bigger role in machine performance than most people realize. Every excavator depends on a display panel to communicate with the operator. When this panel is accurate, bright, and responsive, the entire machine feels more controlled and predictable. When it fails, the job slows down, maintenance becomes guesswork, and productivity drops. That's why a high-quality replacement like this matters so much for heavy-duty machines such as the Doosan DX235LC, DX255LC, DX300LC, DX340LC, DX350LC, DX380LC, as well as wheeled models like the DX210W, DX190W, and DX170W. The design focuses on delivering clean visuals. Even in harsh sunlight or dusty environments, the screen keeps the information easy to read. No fading, no lag, and no washed-out icons. Every critical detail, from hydraulic performance to service alerts, appears instantly. That type of clarity can make long shifts smoother and safer for operators. Durability is another major highlight. Excavators never work in gentle conditions. There's shaking, sudden movement, dirt, grease, and extreme weather. This monitor is built to handle all of it. The internal components are secured to withstand constant vibration. The exterior shell protects against shock, and the connectors lock firmly so the panel stays stable even during the toughest workloads. It's engineered to survive where consumer electronics simply wouldn't last. It's also built with true compatibility in mind. Instead of dealing with rewiring issues or mismatched parts, this monitor matches the original equipment specifications. The installation process is straightforward. The connectors fit correctly, and the system synchronizes with the machine's sensors without any special programming. Everything works as if it came directly from the factory. One of the most useful strengths of this panel is its diagnostic capability. When something starts to go wrong in the excavator, this display gives immediate notifications and detailed error codes. That means repair teams can identify issues quickly instead of spending hours hunting for the cause. Faster troubleshooting means less downtime, which is one of the biggest cost savers in construction operations. For anyone managing multiple machines, this upgrade brings noticeable improvements. Operators stay more aware of machine status, warnings are easier to understand, and the overall workflow becomes smoother. Whether you're digging trenches, loading materials, or doing specialized work, having a dependable monitoring panel reduces the chances of unexpected interruptions. This display panel also supports safer operation. Real-time feedback helps prevent overheating, low-pressure incidents, and other mechanical stresses that could lead to major failures. With a responsive and accurate panel, operators can make faster decisions and avoid costly mistakes. What makes this one especially worth considering is the balance of performance, reliability, and longevity. Instead of replacing low-quality parts again and again, this monitor is built to stay functional for long periods under constant use. It's not just a minor repair. It's a performance upgrade that keeps the excavator running efficiently and consistently. If you want a replacement panel that offers clear visuals, accurate readings, tough build quality, and perfect compatibility with Doosan machinery, this is a strong option. It enhances the user experience inside the cabin and helps keep machines performing the way they should. And if you want to buy this 300426-00010B monitor display panel that works with Doosan DX235LC, DX255LC, DX300LC, DX340LC, DX350LC, DX380LC, DX210W, DX190W, and DX170W, then please visit the link provided in the description.